Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to change trusted or registered device in Wise. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to change a trusted or registered device in your Wise, you will need to remove the old device that is connected and then add the new one as a trusted device. This involves modifying a two-step verification settings, or if you have an old device you can't access, you verifying your identity and phone number to change your phone number. So to remove an old device, access to your Wise account and go to your security settings, and there you can find the option to remove the old device itself. After doing this, you need to choose the Wise app method. Under other verification methods, select Wise app. Now follow on-screen instructions where you are likely need to enter a code and send to your phone via SMS or any app prompts, and as two-step verification is needed, this is necessary step, then you need to continue and confirm it. So by following on-screen instructions, you can simply confirm the new device. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.